What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be making a budget craft table from parts from IKEA and Walmart. We're going to be taking two of these 6-bin organizers from Walmart, empty box, so it's not as heavy. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and go through the process of putting this together and show you how it all works and how it looks when it's done. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, in order to build this craft table, you will need two of the MainStays 6-cube organizers. The Walmart number is 554-145-156. As always, there will be a link in the description below where you can pick this up. In addition to those organizers, we're going to need something to go on top of those. For mine, I've chosen an IKEA Linman tabletop. It's the white one specifically. It's 23 5/8 by 39 3/8. So it's slightly smaller than the width of the cabinets, but that doesn't bother me. That'll be just fine. If you screw it down, it'll be just fine. And I've shown this on the screen. It's on sale for $8.99. That's what I got mine for. Overall, it's a fantastic value, especially if you have an IKEA close to you. You can just go pick it up. Comes in a variety of colors as well, so you can make something that matches your workspace very well. For building the MainStays 6-cube organizer, we're just going to follow the directions. I went ahead and just added a time lapse because these are very easy to put together. They just require they're built using dowel pins and also screws, so a combination of those. Overall, they come with really good instructions, so if you just follow those, you'll be just fine. Alright guys and girls, now that we have this one together, both of these, one was already built, so I kind of cheated a little bit. But we'll go ahead and put this IKEA Linman on top of it and get it attached. Alright guys, now that we have it all built, we can go ahead and get this Linman unwrapped. Right now it's just got the stock plastic onto it. So we'll go ahead and get us a little slit in that. Go ahead and peel that from the back, that way we're not damaging the front. And this Linman just comes with protective plastic. Very easy to take off. So we'll go ahead and stack that guy up. Go ahead and sliver it on down. And we'll go ahead and get it. There we go. Popped it right on off. We'll go ahead and throw that away. Get that plastic out the way. Next, all we really got to do is just separate these and we'll be good to go. So we'll take this empty one and go on and just move them on down. There we go. Easy. And now we have us a craft table. It's very simple, but hey man, it works. Go ahead and get it lined up. And we're good to go. Alright, now we can go ahead and put all these in. We'll go ahead and get out the way. And we'll just put them just like this. Go ahead and put one on the bottom. Put one more on the side. We'll go ahead and get our substrates and some t-shirts in here. And this will be a nice little craft table it's pretty strong. Should last us for years to come. But yeah, overall it's a good little piece. Should hold up for years to come. Pretty happy with the build. Overall cost, I got all the stuff on sale. It was less than 80 bucks to build it. Pretty nice little setup. Not to mention those cubes are actually printable. But I've already done a video on that. They turn out super good. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a subscribe, drop a like on the video, and just follow me for more helpful tutorials on dye sublimation and other printing. So I appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.